Want to spend less time watering and more time enjoying your garden? We've got you covered. Introducing Hoselink's brand new range of irrigation kits, designed to help every kind of gardener water smarter. Whether you're growing veggies, hedges, or fruit trees, there's a kit to suit your space, your plants, and your lifestyle. Our adjustable drip kit is a flexible system for veggie patches and garden beds. It delivers water slowly and directly to the root zone. The adjustable spray kit is perfect for ground covers, hedges, and flower beds, and gives a full circle coverage with consistent, even spray. And for your established trees and thirsty plants, the under tree sprinkler kit is designed to irrigate fruit trees and ornamental trees, ensuring an even application of water for healthy growth. Each kit comes with everything you need to get set up, including fittings, tubing, and connectors to build your system your way. Simple to install, built to last, and fully expandable as your garden grows. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, watering just got a whole lot easier. Hoselink's brand new high quality range of irrigation kits just connect, customize, and grow.